This is the Clean Storm model 2018-0720, which is a stainless steel under car wash, undercarriage pressure washing tool. It is 47 inches long from the front wheel to the bottom wheel. It has got a 20.5 inch outer circumference, housing. It's got a 17-inch spray bar, 3 wheels on it. It has pins that you can pull on it to take it apart, to collapse it. It has a 17-inch spray bar with 2 jets on it. They spray in a 0-degree spray pattern. It has padded grips, and the inbound water connection is 3/8 female pipe thread for you to add your quick disconnect or 22mm screw-on connection. All stainless steel construction, so it should last a really long time. Thank you.